In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your account private on Facebook. So first, click your right hand account, then you want to go to settings and privacy. Click settings, then you want to go to audience and visibility control. Who can see what you share on Facebook? So click profile details. Then this is your about section and what everyone can see. So just make sure you have nothing on here. If you don't want to share any of this, then go back. Then you want to go to how people can find and contact you. So who can see your friend requests? Gonna click friends of friends. Then make it as restrictive as possible. Who can see your friends list? Only me. People with your email address? I'm gonna say no one. People with your phone number? I'm gonna say no one. Then you want to keep on going down. Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Turn that off. For friends of friends on Facebook, deliver requests to. So who can message you? Don't receive requests. Then you just want to update these settings and just do that for all of these. Then for your posts, limit past posts. There we go. And this basically posts on your timeline that you shared with friends or friends in public posts will now only be shared with friends. Anyone tagged in these posts and their friends may also still see these posts. So we're just going to limit these past posts. And it says allow public posts, allow visual search on your posts. So we're just going to turn that off as well and make this, like I said before, make this as restrictive as possible. So who can see my stories? So we're just going to do friends, or we can do custom and only do specific people you know. Then you just want to keep on going down, and there we go. It looks like we've turned off everything. If you want to check it, you want to click this. So then you just go to your profile and click this and click view as. So this is now exactly what people get to see when they find my profile. So for photos, they don't see anything. And for all of these, this is exactly what they see. They can't even see my friends or my about section. So they can't see any of these things at all. And this is very important if you want it to be private. So if this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye.